Eastern Fond du Lac County in east central Wisconsin, northern Washington County in southeastern Wisconsin, northeastern Dodge County in southeastern Wisconsin, Sheboygan County in east central Wisconsin, until 9 p.m. At 7:52 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Low Myra to near Fox Point, moving northeast at 35 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, public. Numerous trees and power lines have been reported down with these storms this evening. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Sheboygan, Fond du Lac, West Bend, Port Washington, Plymouth, Sheboygan Falls, Mayville, Soapville, Kewaskum, Howard's Grove, Pittsburgh, Lomira, Belgium, Fredonia, Kohler, Cedar Grove, Campbellsport, Randon Lake, Theresa, and Rupert. People attending in Nick Current Road, America should seek safe shelter immediately. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.